wants to form here. She was forming a second ago. Let's see if she'll come back. Looks like he's... Whoa! Oh, girls, this is dangerous. We gotta go here soon. This is just so amazing, this vortex over here in Edmonton, Alberta now. Look at it, her forming. Funnel cloud, everybody! Woo! Right there. Oh my God. Oh my God.